Do not try this at home.
Soles of my shoes are worn, the knees of my jeans are torn. Sweat coming through my shirt, keep pushing even though it hurts. I'm chasing what I know is true, there's nothing that I would not do. When everyone around me drops, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man on a mission.
Welcome to the Roger Wakefield YouTube channel. That's me, Roger Wakefield, Lead AP. I'm going to tell you why you should subscribe and ring the bell. This plumbing channel is where you get great value in a systematic way. We want to hear your opinion and know what you think of ours. We have a freaking awesome time and love taking care of our customers and each other. This is where you get the hardcore facts about all things plumbing. If you just found us, we're here to entertain and educate you while having a great time. And if there are any questions you have or people you would like for us to interview, please let me know. I'm Roger Wakefield, helping you make more money in the trades.
Wait another minute, no, I won't.